multiplying mixed number. For example, 4 into third times 5 in 1/2. So in multiplying mixed number, we are going to change first this mixed number to an improper fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12. Papunta rito ay times. Papunta naman dito sa taas ay add. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3. Kopyahin na lang yung denominator. Times 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2. Then multiply. So 14 times 11. So 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Or bring down 1. So 154 over 3 times 2 is 6. Now divide 154 divide by 6. So 154 divide by 6. So 15 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down 4. 34 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 4 minus 0 is 4. So the answer is the whole number 25. The remainder is 4. And copy the denominator, which is 6. But we can also simplify this 4 over 6 by dividing by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Copy the whole number na 25. So the answer is 25 into third. Subukan nyo rin gawin ito. 3 in 1/3 times 2 in 3/4.